Eastern America here. We're at the Scorebirds, and you want to tell us about this meal? What is this?
Tinola na manok. Tinolang manok.
Can you spell it? How do you spell it?
Tinolang manok. T-I-N-A-L-O-K-M-A-N-O-K. Tinolang manok.
And we got chicken in there.
Yes, chicken.
And we have soup bowls.
Yes, soup bowl.
You want to
garlic
go
rice.
garlic rice. You
Yes.
want to serve, so we see how it's served. You serve
What?
it. You know how to do it. Oh, what, you just put
This
it in the
is
soup.
from the soup.
You should put it in the soup
From the
bowl. Okay.
Soup and the chicken.
Got some chicken in here.
Yes.
Wow, that's a good piece.
Yeah.
This one's easier to get. There we go. Yes. Tell me when to stop.
Yes, another one. One more.
Okay. She's not too demanding. There we go. It's crazy. It smells good. Like it's got a little bit of garlic in there.
Oh my God, Jim, you make me wanting now.
You're doing great, my love. Look at this. A little bit of this. I think I'm gonna put mine in on the rice, you know, ricey flavor.
Yawa, oy, kahasol. Kadugay man sila na mahuman. Tao na ko eh.
Eastern America here. Stay tuned for the full video. Bye for now. So the previous clip was intended to be a short, but it was really good. This is a full video. And they had the very long green peppers that were like jalapeno peppers. I never seen a green pepper that long. It was from my watch all the way to the tip of my index finger. It was very long. It's probably 6 inches long, maybe. Yeah, about that. Very freakish looking jalapenos made in the Philippines, grown in the Philippines, green ones. So very good meal. Eastern America here. Please stay tuned. Bye for now. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Bye for now.